Did you know that your vintage car's classic tape player can still deliver modern audio without expensive upgrades? Imagine enjoying your favorite playlists straight from your phone, tablet, or MP3 player, all while keeping your car's original charm intact. Welcome back to Autovated, where we break down automotive gadgets that make your ride smarter, not more complicated. Today, we're reviewing the Arsvita Car Audio Cassette to Aux Adapter, a simple solution for connecting modern devices to vintage tape decks. I've gone through expert tests, verified buyer feedback, and competitor comparisons to give you a clear picture. The Arsvita adapter is designed for cars with cassette players, letting you plug in any device with a standard 3.5mm audio jack. It features 24K gold-plated connectors, a pure silver wire core, and a polished metal shell, promising minimal signal loss and high-quality stereo audio. The intelligent step-down design ensures a secure connection, even with phones in thick cases. TPE audio cables rated for over 15,000 bends and a metallic housing combine durability with a sleek, stylish look. Essentially, it lets you keep your car's classic aesthetics while enjoying modern music effortlessly. Key features really focus on convenience and sound quality. First, the gold-plated connectors and dual shielding help deliver clear audio without static or interference. Second, the metal construction and premium cables make it long-lasting, tangle-free, and resilient for everyday use. Third, it supports a wide range of devices from phones to hi-fi systems, so you're not limited by brand or model. Finally, setup is plug-and-play, with no need to alter your car's original electronics. Pros: high-quality stereo sound, durable construction, broad device compatibility, maintains vintage car aesthetics. Cons: limited to cars with cassette players, potential minor hiss depending on tape deck quality. Another minor point is the cable length. 1 meter may be restrictive for some setups. Compared to similar adapters from competitors like Boss or Excel, the Arsvita model excels in build quality and aesthetic appeal. While some alternatives may offer slightly longer cables or lower price points, they often compromise on connector durability or shielding, which can affect sound fidelity over time. If sound quality and a premium feel matter to you, this adapter is a step above most entry-level options. For build quality, the combination of a metal shell, gold plating, and TPE cable suggests strong longevity, and the 10,000 plug lifespan testing reported by the brand aligns with typical user experiences. Arsvita also offers a 16-month replacement, reflecting confidence in durability and customer support reliability. This adapter is ideal for vintage car owners who want modern music playback without altering the car's original setup. It's less suited for performance audio enthusiasts seeking advanced signal processing or studio-level fidelity, but it's perfect for daily drives and casual listening. If you're finding this breakdown helpful and want your playlist to hit the road as smoothly as your wheels, go ahead and tap like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss future reviews that keep you in tune with automotive innovation. In conclusion, strong option. If you value easy modern audio integration while preserving your vintage car, the Arsvita Cassette to Aux Adapter is a strong choice in its category. For those on a tighter budget, simpler alternatives exist, but they may lack the premium construction and consistent audio quality that Arsvita offers. Thanks for watching. And remember, the link to grab this adapter is in the comments and description. If you've already used it, share your experience below. We love hearing from fellow Autovated enthusiasts. Goodbye for now, and keep your rides classic yet connected.